What is going on, guys? It is Pex. Right now, we're live and we're about to go into the chat to talk about goodies and, of course, see what Gbpusd and Xauusd can do for us today. If you're just joining us for the first time, you know what to do. Hit the like button, the subscribe, and tell us where you're joining us from. Let's get it. How's it going, guys? How's it going, guys? How's it going, guys? If you're just joining us for the first time, what exactly is your name and where are you joining us from? Let's go. What is your name and where are you joining us from? I see pivots from Guinea. I see evidence from Nigeria. Emmanuel from Nigeria. Stanley from Nigeria. Joy from Port Harcourt. I see Abdulazim. This is your first time. You know what to do. Like this video and subscribe. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. I see Ghana. I see Henry. I see you. I've been waiting for you for a long time. I've been with you for a long time. Oh, nice. I see Ghana. Crazy, 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 crazy. I see Moses. I see Cross River, South Africa. We're going wild, bro. We're going wild. From east, west, north, and south, beyond Nigeria, we're even going now Africa, East Africa, West Africa, and many more. Many, many, many more. Many, many more. I see drop your WhatsApp number. Woo. We're just going to look forward to seeing what is happening in the chat. Let's see what we're happening in the chat. Best prop for reviewer. I like that. Wow. From Germany. That's wild. From Germany. That is wild. So now, I'm going to be dropping our WhatsApp number in a bit. Now, this number, if you're looking forward to registering into the academy, thereby you're ready to sign up for our one-on-one program that is starting up in March. This number on your screen, you can contact them right now. All right, contact us right now. The admin is going to reach out to you ASAP. +2348151719335. It's a WhatsApp number, Multitech Academy. Copy this number right now. Reach out to us, and of course, you're going to be getting a reply. And yeah, you enroll into the one-on-one mentorship. This is going to be happening March 1st. We're going to look forward to getting it started. What does this one-on-one mentorship does? It basically, this is where I show you my system and the exact strategy that I use to not just get payout like this, but to help you get funded as fast as possible. Yes, it is a one-on-one mentorship and it is only open for 9 slots. 9 slots only. If you want to get started with that, that is the WhatsApp number you can text and you're going to be getting an information ASAP. Note, this is not my personal WhatsApp number. It is for the Multitech Academy, but of course, it is direct for the service that you need. Now, you might be asking, how much does the one-on-one mentorship cost? It is for 30 days, which is a month, and it is 199. 199. So you're going to be getting full details on it in March. Stay tuned. Now, let us dive in. As you can see, I have good funded trader here. And let me show you guys something. I like everybody that is active. Look at this. This is what getting a payout feels like. Where is that screenshot? Look at this. Let me make myself bigger. Look at this. When you get a payout on Rise, I don't know, my phone is not really is quite blur. Okay, you can see it clearly now. It's a Rise payment. You can see it there. Look closely here. You just got paid on Rise. What it means is the payout keep coming. Regardless of how the market is, the payouts keep coming. You just got paid on Rise. I think I can make it bigger. You can see it here. You just got paid on Rise. This is a screenshot from my Gmail account. And immediately I requested for a withdrawal. Your withdrawal is being processed. ASAP, ASAP. And yes, I went to the bank to get that money cash. Whenever you get a payout, try as much as possible to withdraw it live so you can see what it feels like. You can see what it feels like. As you can see, it's right here. We're getting paid. We're getting paid. You can see it right here. Let me reduce my screen. You can see it right there. I don't know if it is clear enough, but this is what, when you get that payout, try as much as possible to withdraw it live. Try as much as possible to withdraw it live. When you get paid, is nice. Withdraw it live so you can see it. I think I still have, I withdrew as well as I added $5 to it so I can keep it. This is $5. The moment I withdrew it out, I changed it into Naira. You know, we are not in United States of America, we're in Nigeria. And I got paid into my bank account ASAP. This is just what is left. $5. This $5 right now is about how much? 8,000 Naira. Something like that. But nevertheless, electronic money from the phone to reality. That's how it goes. That's how it is. So enough of the talks. Let us see how you can get your own as well. Like I said, this number on my screen right now is literally how you can learn. Reach out to Multitech Academy, and of course, you'll be signing up straight up into the Multitech Academy one-on-one mentorship for March, lasting for 1 month. You're going to be having me live, showing you how to actually get your own payout. 2026 March, trust me, my payout is going to be bigger than this. March, 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 March. It's only by God's grace anyway. Because what I'm doing with gold, damn. What I'm doing with gold, damn. W them in the chat. In fact, W gold in the chat. 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 Is the payment from Good Funded? Of course. Of course. Let me also show you guys something. Where is this? Some of you guys are having problem with verification on gold. You're having problem with verification on gold. This is verification for gold funded. You can see it right there. KYC verification confirmed. KYC confirmed. All right. So basically, if you understand what you're doing, you have the right verification process done. This is what I use to do my verification. I'm just chipping this in so you guys can learn. I'm trying to look for my verification stuff. Yeah, this is it here. International passport, bro. International passport. Of course, this is not the front. The front is at the other side. This is the back. So I use this to do the verification. And it took some time and I got verified from my account. So in March, my payout is going to be insanely good. Okay, enough of the talk. Enough of the talk. It is time for us to get down into business. It is time for us to get down into business. I trade prop firm, and I'm telling you guys something. If you understand how to trade this market, you're going to get a lot of payout, regardless of how small your payout is going to be in your first stage. Don't panic. All right. Don't say the money is too small. Appreciate it. People work 30 days for 100,000 naira. People work 30 days for 100,000 naira. Understand it. And 100,000 naira is only $60. 100,000 naira is only what? $60. I used to make that $60 on instead. But people work for it 30 days. Don't feel ungrateful. Be grateful to God. Use the link in description right now. Get an account with Gold Funded Trader. Let us trade. Everything is made easy. You can get an instant funded account of $5,000 for $76. There is a 35% ongoing. If not, it could have been $118. You can get an instant account of 10K for $100. It could have been 168. You can get even a 50K account for only $323. Instant funding. It could have been about $500. 100K is only $500. It could have been $858. All this is because of the 35% discount that is ongoing, which is going to be ending in March. It's going to be ending in March. I think March 18 or something like that. Check the description. I added everything. To get a two-step account, 200K, 100K is right there. Use the link, get it straight up. Let's go. Let's go. Good Funded Trader is my go-to prop firm right now. And yeah, let's make some money. Now let's go into the chart. Xauusd. W gold in the chart. W gold in the chart, guys. W gold in the chart. W gold in the chat, boys. If you're just joining us for the first time, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share this video to your friend. Let other people join us. Share it to your friends. Let's go. Now, can somebody tell me what is the trend for gold? What is the trend for gold? What is the trend for gold right now? What do you think is the trend for gold right now? I see you. I see you. What's the trend for gold right now? What's the trend for gold right now? Do you think gold is uptrending or do you think gold is downtrending? By the way, we're live right now. Click here to join us right away. Let's make it count today. What's the trend for gold right now? What do you think is the trend for gold right now? going guys? Specs. What's the trend for gold right now? What do you think is the trend for gold right now? I see you. I see you. What's the trend for gold right now? Can I use NIN for verification? Sometimes it works. And yes, you can use NIN as a Nigerian. Gold is buying uptrend. Now, let me show you guys something. Now, what is an uptrend? Coming to the daily time frame, you observe one thing. The market did what I call a break, a retest back, a push up from the daily time frame. That means we are still bullish. Now, why are we still bullish? Coming down to the 4-hour time frame, what can we see there? The 4-hour time frame right now, what is an uptrend structure? High, like that, right? Now, if you look at this market, it has been doing what? Higher high, higher low, higher high. It wanted to start becoming a downtrend around this region, but it caught a lot of people. It caught a lot of people on guard or off guard. This is where people are supposed to actually sell, but then it caught a lot of people off guard, and now we've created a high, taking out this high and then creating a lower high for a better higher high, a higher low. I mean, a higher low for a better higher high, which the ascension has already started. So gold currently is bullish. Gold currently is bullish. You can look at this 1-hour time frame. You can see the market creating what? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, equal highs, higher low again, lower high, sorry, and then higher highs, higher low. And then we're about to take out the high. So, how do we look for entries here? They might not be entry today because of what I'm seeing, or they might not be entry on this live because of what I'm seeing right now. So, but looking at this is an area of interest for just a quick entry around this zone. Just a quick entry. But we will need to be patient. If you look at this market right now, you realize that the market has been on this spot, respecting it for quite a while. It has been respecting it for quite a while. So what you need to do in this case, a break above it, a retest back, a buy. Or a chart pattern breaking above. In the sense of a push up, come down, we get a double bottom, close above, and then we buy. Do you understand? Gold right now is beneath a resistance. As you can see, the market has been respecting this zone very much, sending the market down 350 pips, closely 400 pips, and now resurrecting back. What does that mean? It means that there is a chance that it might even sell back again. It is either we look forward to a buy from here, again to this point, or we wait for the break and retest for it here. That's what I target for GBP for gold. That's what I'm targeting for gold. I'm looking out for buys. Now we might get a push downwards, but our eyes from the 4 hour time frame is still concentrated on buys. You see how reluctant I am? Because there is nothing I'm seeing that it should entice me. There's nothing I'm seeing that should entice me because of what I'm seeing in the market. Nothing is quite intriguing here. Unless we push down back here, then we have something to talk about, or we break and retest here. Now let's talk about GBP USD. Now, GBP USD, what have you for us? If you even go to the 5 minutes on this gold, you can see it is ascending nicely, but you don't want to be caught up in the middle of this. Allow it break, allow it retest. We should be buying. It's a better chance. It's a better chance like this. Better chance like this. Take a screenshot, guys. Now, GBP USD is one pair that is extremely annoying, pissing me off. It is pissing me off. It is pissing me off. Why? Because the market has just been going down and up in one zone. I've been stopped out twice on this pair because of this setup. It will sell, the next thing it will buy, the next thing it will sell, the next thing it will buy, to sell. Now it is buying. If I was to count the amount of time if I had entered that I would have been stopped, I would have been like 4 or 5 times. But that would be because I'm breaking my rule. Because my rule says one trade a day. So, but I've been stopped out twice, and that was 2 days ago and yesterday. So Monday and Tuesday. Because I was targeting a buy, I was targeting a sell, and then a buy. Actually, the other way around. I was targeting a sell, it then came to buy. I bought, it sold small, and then hit my stop loss. And then I targeted a sell, it sold small, and then hit my stop loss. So probably this week for GBP USD, cancel it. Cancel it, like literally cancel it, because the market makers are after us. Guys, the market makers are after us. What do we do? Are we that good? What do we do? Why? Why? So basically, the market right now is just playing around. It's just playing around. All right. I will still stand my ground for GBP USD. GBP USD right now, we don't even know what it wants to do anymore because the market has been indecisive. But looking at it right now, we can still say it is still downtrending. We can still say it is still downtrending. So now, what are we looking out for? Let us draw our trend line. Now you can see the trend line here. It's like the market is about to take it out. But remember, there's a level of resistance here. But there's a level of resistance here. So, what is this trend right now? The market is still downtrending. Even from the daily time frame, you can see it. From the weekly, you can still see the market is obviously downtrending. Probably it doesn't want to sell from the actual zone it is in, but then we can still patiently wait for it to sell on this next zone. So let me see where I'm going to set my stops. Depending on the candlestick entry I get, I should be setting my stops above there. My take profit should be here. That is where my next target is. You know how we do it. I don't like to miss my trade or forget my trade. So I'm going to write there PEX entry AOI. Okay. My eyes is bearish for GBP USD. If the sell didn't happen down there, we can still pull a sell from here downwards. But TP is going to be here. TP2 is going to be here. It's swing trade stuff. But it's a matter of time. If only we are going to sell, we will need the market to respect this zone. But if it doesn't respect it, we retest on it. Our next buy is going to be the next high. Hoping the market will respect it because I do not understand why the market is just misbehaving anyhow. So, but then uptrend it is. We just need a good system. For right now, I'm not looking to sell GBP USD. The market wants to go up, but for me, I'm still looking out for a sell because it is still generally overall downtrend. Unless it takes out this high. If it does take out this high, then I'm interested in buying. But if it doesn't take out that high, unfortunately, I am not interested. So I have my alert here. I'm good to go. Now, BTC. We can see BTC already. It's a good pair for entry around this region. About 1,000 pips. I saw this trade, but I didn't really take it because it wasn't in my zone. It wasn't in the entry where I needed it to be. But it's all good. It could have been a good win for me today. But my system didn't allow it. Stop loss of 400 pips. That's insane. BTC, I'm expecting, let me see. Heading back to the forward time frame, we can see an inverse head and shoulder here. We can see a clear inverse head and shoulder here. Clear inverse head and shoulder. Push up, come down, buy. Simple as that, guys. It's dangerous things I want to be doing now. When I mean dangerous things, I mean trading pairs that are high. Good lot size is all I need. So I'm going to keep an alert here, calling it a breakout. So when it breaks out, we're good to go. Now, what if it doesn't break out? Then we're going to classify it as a range. As you can see right now, it is a ranging market. It is a ranging market. As seen. But for me, because it is giving us that uptrend vibe, you can also see inverse head and shoulder is clear. Even inside the inverse head and shoulder, there is inverse head and shoulder again. Even inside this inverse head and shoulder, there is another one right there. You can see it. One, two, three. Three inverse head and shoulders. So if you can you see it on the chart? If you can see it, drop some ones on the chart. Can you see the chart patterns? Don't need to do too much. You have the eyes to see it. Live right now. Okay, guys. I need a breakout from BTC for a buy. Break and retest. Now, when am I expecting that break and retest? I'm expecting it in Asia session, London session, or New York session tomorrow. So be rest assured we're going to be trading live tomorrow again. You can see how clean the price action is on BTC. We need probably this could be the start of a buying market. You can see here there's an if you look closely, guys, nobody needs to tell you this this one too is an inverse head and shoulder. You can see it. And then the market bought, created another inverse head and shoulder here. The market bought, then it has a chance of creating another inverse head and shoulder for here. Because if you look by the left, you can call this an inverse head and shoulder overall. Overall. Here and here. You can call it an inverse head and shoulder. If you've been trading for a while, you will understand that chart pattern doesn't have to necessarily look like the way it is on that book that you read. All right. Get your account ready. Gold Funded Trader is offering a 35% discount right now, which you can obviously get your trading started. Use the link in description, grab the 35% discount, and trade with GFT. I'm going to be doing a video today, dropping it for you guys so I can break down some of the questions you guys have been asking and about Good Funded Trader, and also do some new features of breakdown that GFT has, and of course, how you can verify your account as well. Stay tuned. Link in description. Get your account with GFT. 5K account, 100K account, 200K, up to $400,000. As the breakout is happening on BTC. So to stay updated, use the link in description and join the Telegram community. I'll keep you guys posted. All right. We're looking flashy. We're looking fly. Let me take a picture. Today is a good day. All right. Today is a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Use the link in the description to get whatever you want. And Good Funded is there for you. Peace. March 1st, our live 101 mentorship begins. Let me put up that number on the screen again. Text this number to get registered before March, and let's go. Peace, guys.